Hey guys, this is Veera. Today, let's talk about one of the important interview questions. So, what is a platform independent in Java, and why Java is the platform independent? This is one of the major interview question asked either for the junior level or even senior level interview questions. So, as we know, so Java, let's say if you're writing an application in your Windows operating system, it could be any simple Java program or any real-time application. So once you write a Java application in your system, in your IDE or any kind of the editor. So once you write it, basically we are going to compile it. So the compiled version, nothing but the bytecode, which is the dot class file in terms of simple Java application. If it is a real-time application, so generally we create a jar file. That's the Java archive or WAR file, web archive, or EAR, enterprise archive file. So once we do that, we take that and deploy into the servers. So maybe your Windows system is the different operating system, and you are going to run the application into the different operating system. Here, the thing is, so the compiled version is nothing but the bytecode. And the code which you are writing, that's the .java files. So once you write an application and you can take that bytecode, nothing but the dot class, jar, var, or EAR file into the any operating system. So still you should be able to run it if you have the JRE or the Java installed or set up in the server, right? Maybe if you are working for any application, real-time application, as a developer, you're going to write or develop a application, and you're going to create a build in one operating system, maybe the Jenkins that we are going to use in the real time as part of our CI/CD pipeline. But the build tool, we can use either Maven or Gradle. So as part of the CI/CD process, so our application build is going to happen and generate the artifact. The artifact is nothing but the jar, var, or EAR file. And so as part of the pipeline or even with the manual process, we can take that artifact and deploy into any of the real-time servers. So here the whole process is going to be how the application is going to run on the different operating system, even though it is compiled in the different operating system. The build is nothing but a compilation, right? That is where the platform independent comes into the picture, because Java is not the platform dependent. It's not that, once we create an application in one operating system, so definitely we can run it in any operating system. That is where we talk about Java is a platform independent. Hope you guys understood what is a platform independent and what is the importance of the platform independent. Thank you so much for watching for this video. Please do subscribe and share it with your friends.